Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about what is Stripe Atlas and how does it work. So let's get straight to the point. If you have ever wanted to start a US based company but you live outside the United States, Stripe Atlas might be exactly what you need. It's one of the fastest, simplest, and most global friendly ways to launch a US business from anywhere in the world. Let's break down exactly what Stripe Atlas is, how does it work, what you will get, and whether it's right for you or not. So let's start with what is Stripe Atlas. Stripe Atlas is a business formation platform created by Stripe, the same company behind one of the most popular payment processing tools on the internet. But instead of just processing payments, Stripe Atlas helps you form a legal company in the United States, more specifically in Delaware, which is a business-friendly state known for its favorable laws and tax structure. Whether you're a solo founder from India, a startup team in Germany, or a freelancer in Brazil, Stripe Atlas gives you access to a US business identity, a US bank account, and Stripe's payment infrastructure all online within just a few days. Step number 1. Company formation. The process starts by choosing what type of company you want to form. You'll typically choose between C Corporation, which is ideal for startups planning to raise venture capital or issue shares to multiple founders, or an LLC, which is more suitable for freelancers, consultants, and bootstrapped business who don't need venture funding. Stripe Atlas will file your incorporation documents with the Delaware Division of Corporation on your behalf. You don't need to physically be in the United States, and you do not need to hire a lawyer or deal with legal paperwork. You will also get to name your own company, choose your directors and officers, and issue stocks to founders for C Corps. All of this is handled digitally. Step number 2. You will get your EIN, which is Employer Identification Number. After your company is legally formed, Stripe Atlas helps you get an EIN from the IRS. This is the US equivalent of Business Tax ID. And why do you need it? You need it to open a business bank account, file taxes, hire employees, work with US partners. Usually getting an EIN number from outside the US takes weeks or even months, but Stripe Atlas speeds up the process significantly. Step number 3. Open a US business bank account. Once you have your EIN number, Stripe partners with Mercury Bank and Silicon Valley Bank to offer you a US business checking account. This is a huge benefit for international founders because opening a US bank account as a non-resident is usually a major roadblock. Stripe Atlas bypasses that, letting you manage your US finances and receive payments from global customers with ease. The best part, you can access your account online, manage funds remotely, and even issue debit card, all without ever visiting the United States. Step number 4. Start accepting payments. As soon as your company and bank accounts are set up, you'll also be able to use Stripe payments immediately. That means you can accept credit cards, accept ACH bank transfers, get paid in multiple currencies, automatically deposit funds into your US bank account, and because your Stripe account is now connected to US registered company, you'll avoid many of the restrictions or limitations that international users often face. So what else is included? Stripe Atlas also gives you access to legal documents templates, including founder agreements, IP assignments, and stock issuance docs. You will also get Stripe Dashboard, so you can track payments, manage payouts, and view insights in real time. You will also get a private founder community where you can connect with thousands of other entrepreneurs worldwide. You will also get partner perks, such as discounts on tools like AWS, Mercury, Notion, and more. Everything is streamlined, so you don't need to worry about legal bureaucracy or hiring expensive consultants. How much does it cost? It costs $500 one-time setup fee. This includes incorporation, EIN, legal templates, and account setup. $100 per year starting in your second year. This covers your Delaware registered agent service, which is legally required for US companies. If you compare this to hiring a lawyer, paying for legal templates, or setting up things manually, this is a huge time and money saver. So who is Stripe Atlas best for? It is best for known US founders who want US business identity. It is best for freelancers and consultants working with US clients. It is best for startups looking to raise US venture capital. It is also best for e-commerce sellers needing Stripe, Shopify, or Amazon integrations. It is also best for remote SaaS businesses serving a global audience. If your goal is to sell globally, raise capital, or just gain legitimacy in the United States market, this is one of the most efficient ways to do it. Any downsides? Just a few things to note. You're forming a US legal entity, so you'll have to file US taxes every year, even if you don't live there. Stripe Atlas won't handle your bookkeeping, tax filing, or accounting. You'll need to hire help for that, or you have to use softwares like Xero or Pilot. It is not the best option if you only want to sell locally in your home country. Stripe Atlas is designed for going global. So, the final thoughts. Stripe Atlas is one of the most powerful tools for international entrepreneurs. Just for $500, you'll get a fully legal US company, a tax ID, a US bank account, and the ability to start accepting payments for customers around the world within days, all from your laptop. If you're serious about building a business with global reach, Stripe Atlas can take care of the hard parts so you can focus on your product, your customers, and your growth. Let me know in the comment section below if you're thinking of using Stripe Atlas, or you can also tell me if you have already gone through the process. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.